So we just plugged it in and it's busy charging, and once it's fully charged we'll give it a shot. Hey YouTube, today we've got an Ecoflow River Pro that we're just gonna unbox, and in a forthcoming video we will do a review on it. So let's go ahead and open up the box. It's a quick start guide on how to use the product. Cable, cigarette lighter charger, DC connectors, user manual, kettle cord, and this is it. So these look like two outputs here. Extension port. We've got a light, USB-C, USBs, so this is where the cigarette lighter goes in. Okay, interesting. It tells you 99 hours, 31%. Okay, so we got 99 hours, 31% battery, and right now there's nothing coming in, nothing going out, so it's all both zero. So let's review it in the next video and see how that performs. Turn this thing off. What do we have here? Okay, these are the charging ports, fuse, overload protection. It's about 15 kilos, I'm estimating. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next video. Thank you.